Ladies and gentlemen, once again, selamat datang and welcome to the grand opening ceremony of FRABA. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome and berhormat Mr. Lee Ting Han, Johor State Exco for Investment, Trade and Consumer Affairs. Ladies and gentlemen, the grand opening of FRABA. Congratulations.
Like 2 years back, I started this project for setting up a production here in Malaysia, and it's great that we can celebrate our opening. Even never meeting each other, just on the phone, but saying yes. So thank you very much to all of you, and I hope I didn't forget anybody. And special thanks to our all Malaysian people for this great support.
For our customers, we achieve excellent results. We are a performance company without sacrificing our human qualities. We stand by each other, always treating others respectfully, and we enjoy exceeding ourselves. Nothing is going to hold us back. We are very happy that we were able to set this up, and many people exceeded themselves to get us here today. And I can't wait to come back to open up new locations or additions to our locations. Thank you very much.
It gives me great pleasure to be here at the opening ceremony of FRABA at Nusa Tech Park. In particular, I was made to understand that the demand in Asia has been the faster growing region, and this high growth level are expected to continue, and we wish you every success to achieve your 10 years goal. Hence, we indeed welcome you to come to Johor and to level up the whole industry in Johor. Last but not least, please again accept our sincerest thanks for your time and presence today. It's our hope that this venture will mark the beginning of a long-term working relationship between FRABA and Johor as well as Malaysia.